Introducing Mood Coffee Drip Kits, a portable, single-use, and mess-free way to brew the perfect cup of drip coffee. Mood Coffee Drip Kits come with a beautiful disposable dripper, complete with an integrated filter and pouch of coffee portioned for one delicious cup. Mood drippers drip 3 times slower than the average filter, ensuring that your coffee will be heavily concentrated and full of flavor. Mood drippers allow you to be in control of how much water is poured at the temperature of your liking, giving you a cup that's rich in flavor and high in quality. Designed in Japan, the Mood Coffee team wanted to create a dripper capable of the same quality and effectiveness as the sophisticated glass drippers seen in Tokyo. It was important to create a method that was simpler and more disposable without sacrificing the cafe experience. After many months, we've introduced a dripper that will change the way you drink coffee forever. Each kit comes with 1 sachet of fresh ground beans, perfect for 1 incredible cup of coffee. It's sealed with a special formula to ensure it stays fresh for a longer period of time. Our beans are ethically roasted and 100% Arabica Colombian. We're super proud of our coffee and know that you'll love the notes of our delicious medium roast. So, how do you use it? It only takes 3 simple steps. Step 1, tear the sachet and pour it into the Mood dripper. Step 2, place the dripper on top of your mug or cup. The dripper will fit on top of any cup. It's recyclable and can be used 2 to 3 times. Step 3, pour the hot water and see the drip in action. The last thing you do, enjoy that cup of perfectly dripped coffee, anytime, anywhere.
Whether you're at the office or camping, Mood Coffee goes where you go.